Hello everyone, you're watching HMJ Study channel. Let's start with Maths of Class 8, Chapter 1, Rational and Irrational Number. Here in this video, we'll go through the introductory part for the rational and irrational numbers. Let's revise some topics. Natural numbers. The numbers starts from 1 and goes on are natural numbers. Whole numbers starts from 0 and goes on are whole numbers. Integers 0, positive numbers and negative numbers are integers. Rational numbers. What are rational numbers? The number which is expressed in m upon n form, that is fractional form, are called rational numbers. For example, 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4. The rational numbers can be positive or negative. For example, minus 1 upon 2, minus 3 upon 4. As you know, the rational numbers are written in fractional form, means it carry the numerator and denominator, but the denominator should not be 0. For example, 2 upon 0. Here, the denominator carry 0 number. So, therefore, this number is not rational number as it is not defined. See this number 6, 4 and 2. Will these numbers be rational numbers? Yes. See how. If I write the 6 in fractional form, it will be 6 upon 1, correct? No number in denominator means 1. In the same way, 4 upon 1 and 2 upon 1. So, these are written in fractional form. So, these numbers are rational numbers. Now, irrational numbers. Root 2. If you take a calculator and find the value of root 2, you will get these numbers as answer. And if you find the value of root 3, this will be the answer. If you observe the values, you can see the first value 1.4142213562 and so on. The root 3's value 1.7320508087 and so on. So if you concentrate on these numbers, you can observe that these numbers are not ending and the numbers are not repeated in continuous form. Therefore, these numbers will be irrational numbers. Why? Because it does not end and it does not repeat. In other words, these values are non-terminating and non-recurring. Root 5, root 6, root 7 and root 8. The value of all these numbers will be in this way only, means it will be non-terminating and non-recurring. Therefore, these numbers are irrational numbers. But root 9. Root 9 is perfect square root. If you again take the calculator and find the value of root 9, you will get it as 3. Therefore, it will be rational numbers but not irrational number. Okay, so this will be rational number. Next example, root 16. Again, it is perfect square root. The answer of root 16 will be 4. So, this will be rational number. The things to remember: square root of any perfect square will be a rational number and square root of number which is not perfect square will be a irrational number. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. That's it for the introductory part. Thank you.